The best part of skiing, whoo, besides taking off your helmet, is taking off your boots. So I had a great day on the slopes today. We kind of tore it up from about 9 till now, which is about almost 2 o'clock. So first day in a while that I skied. So it was exhilarating and fun. We went to the very, very, very tippy top and got some great pictures. So I'll be posting those. And if you have any questions about athleticism in your wig, fire them off. This is Heidi in Pralines and Cream, and she looks beautiful, and she's been under a helmet all morning. So unlike bio hair, it looks really good. And I'm taking off my boot. Oh my goodness. That is the best part of skiing. So I'm here for a week, and I brought a ton of hair with me because I want to look on point the whole time. I have my Saint makeup on, and you can see it's held up really well. Just did it very simply. I have a ton of sunscreen on because the sun, even though we're up in the mountains, it is so bright. So I wear a full face gaiter and goggles. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and whatever you're doing, make it fun. Talk to you soon.